Here in my garage, here I am. There we go, that's a little bit better. It's much quieter in here. All right, here in my garage, in my car. Look at all that condensation. It's cold. So what we are inside of right now is a Harbor Freight 10 by 17 garage in a box. Well, right now it's outside the box, but I'm sure you get the point. This is a nice little shelter I got now that I can use to work on stuff and paint stuff and whatever I'm trying to do. I can even fit my car in it, just barely, if I need to do a little work on it or something. But this is the only one I could find available locally, so I had to pick it up real quick after work. Over there, got my little work light right here. Turns on, it's pretty bright, LEDs. This will help a little bit when I'm working on stuff, so I can see a little bit better. Hey, check out those sparkles, wow. This is something I painted the other day. Look at those metallic flakes. That's awesome. That is beautiful. I hope this lasts at least a couple weeks so I can do a couple projects at the very least. And yeah, wow, holy, this teacup's really dirty. All right, well, I kind of forgot what I was talking about already, so. Look at that rain. Look at all this beautiful rain and those green trees and stuff. I cut all those down this morning with that little hacksaw over there. That was a little bit of work, but it was fun. It was like playing the forest. As you probably see my little boat at the beginning of this video. This here, greatest design I've ever done in my entire life. It actually works, believe it or not. It works and propels the boat so awesomely in the water. I really gotta get video of it. Hold on, sometimes you gotta hold it with two hands. Come on, get in there. There we go. Oop, came undone. But yeah, that works 100%. I gotta get video of that before like winter comes. And I gotta really show me cruising in the water because that thing's awesome. I got it hooked up to the boat hitch just in case I want to go out on the lake. Today's not the best for that though, as you can see. So I'll probably skip that for today and work on some other projects. Got my rubber mallet for hitting things. This helped me put this the frame rails and stuff together. Although I gotta say one thing about these frame rails, they quality control issues. Some of them don't snap together very well. They're kind of loose, but it's cold. I need some propane in the heater now. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you like this little short. And I hope to be making something else pretty soon, probably with that boat. I want to show off that little motor thing I made and show y'all how it goes fast in the water, like 1 mile per hour and a half. But can't do that with my phone right now because I don't want to drop it in the water. Need both hands for that one.